Transforming a garden space often begins with a vision. It's not just about functionality, it's about infusing personality and charm. Your choice of garden furniture sets the tone. From weather-resistant materials to innovative designs, the key is to select pieces that resonate with your style and withstand the elements. In this way, we go from having a monotonous garden to a spectacular one. Introducing the 5-piece garden furniture set, marking a dreamy style, this furniture offers an attractive combination of comfort, durability, and space-saving design. This set, composed of 2 individual chairs, 2 ottomans, and a side table, aims to improve your outdoor lounging experience, and why not, a comfortable nap. The chairs in this set are ergonomically designed to improve comfort. They feature soft sponge-padded cushions that provide a cozy seating experience. Additionally, large ottomans serve as excellent footrests and offer a comfortable place to relax. Constructed with a sturdy, rust-resistant frame, this porch furniture set ensures superior support and longevity. Made from hand-woven polyethylene wicker and designed for all weather conditions, it is waterproof and UV-resistant, ensuring a long-lasting user experience. A standout feature is the ottoman chair, cleverly designed to fit under chairs, optimizing space efficiency. This design element allows for easy storage by minimizing the space they take up when the ottomans are not in use. The high-density sponge-filled cushions not only ensure sitting comfort, but also feature waterproof properties, enhancing its usability in various weather conditions. The set is designed for quick and hassle-free installation. The decision to ship it in 2 separate boxes for security during transit is a thoughtful touch to avoid damage caused by excessive weight. What are the main advantages of this furniture? Ergonomically designed chairs with soft, padded cushions ensure a pleasant sitting experience. The rust-resistant frame and weather-resistant wicker make this set suitable for outdoor use in various climates. Ottomans that can be stored under chairs effectively save space when not in use. The simple assembly process allows users to set it up without much hassle. And its main disadvantages. While the cushions have some waterproof properties, they may not be completely rainproof, requiring cautious use in humid climates. Ottomans primarily serve as footrests and lack versatility in use beyond this purpose. Discover the detailed features of this product by clicking the link in the description. You will be surprised by its unique functions. In short, the garden furniture set offers a combination of comfort, durability, and space-saving functionality. It is a suitable option for those looking for a well-designed outdoor furniture set that prioritizes comfort without compromising sturdiness. Considering its competitive price and overall quality, this set presents a commendable option for outdoor relaxation spaces. What makes this piece of furniture so special to go from drab to fabulous? What elevates this furniture from monotonous to extraordinary lies in its fusion of craftsmanship, innovation, and design finesse. It is not simply a piece, it embodies art, functionality, and a touch of individuality. Attention to detail, the choice of materials, and the dedication of skilled artisans are the magical ingredients that transform it into an eye-catching piece. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and activate the bell so that you receive more content about reviews of experiences with products that will brighten your home.